because I like to get a look for less. Ciao my friends, welcome back. So today I have some really nice things to show you that I got from Temu. Because I think the jewelry on Temu is very, very beautiful for a fraction of the price. So we'll start off with a chain necklace. It's actually half chain and half pearl. It's a little bit twisted. Okay, there we go. And that's my initial. And this is very, I'll put it down here, maybe you could see it better. It's very different, but I like the edginess of it. It's not something that you would expect. You could see the S on maybe something just all chain or something all pearl, but because they have it half pearl and half chain with your initial on it, they have all kinds of initials. Also, I will link everything in my link tree, and if it's in the link tree and you find it, great, because once they sell out, then the links are not active anymore. But this chain, I'm going to wear that like ASAP because that is really very beautiful. That's very beautiful. So I have the chain, and then I think the rest that I have here are rings. So super exciting. I love rings, okay? I'm a little bit like my mom that way. So this one is similar to this one, but just a little bit smaller. I got it in a size 8, and it has like a diamond in it. So let's try this on. And they come with the size tag, so it's kind of cool. That's really pretty. Very pretty. So this is what I got. And let's go. We have more to look at. So this one is finished. And then I have this one. Some of them I got are a little bit out there, maybe, but I love them. And so we have this one. Oh, it's double packed. Anyway, we'll get into it sooner or later. This is it. This is very pretty. It's also a little bit edgy. It's not one that has a stone, but the top of it is flat with a numerical system on it, and I got it with a ceramic color in a nude shade. But if you go on the Temu website and you find these, you will find them in orange and pink and black and white, and the orange one is very nice, and this one here is just a nude shade. Oh, that I love, actually. That is very beautiful, my friends. You need one of those in your life. You need everything in your life. And the next one I got is here. It fell out of the bag, but it's a lion ring, and I don't know. Did I have them upside down? Maybe for you. There you go. That is really pretty. I feel like it's a little bit big, like big size. I got it in an 8. I really am 7.5, but I took the 8 because the ring is a little bit wide, and the wider the ring, the bigger the size you should get. But it feels a little bit big, but no problem. That I like a lot. I have a friend and I watch her YouTube videos all the time. You probably all know her. Her name is Lisa D1, and she has a lion ring that I really, really love. So whenever she comes out with this ring, I will think about buying it. But for now, I got the look for less, and this is on Temu. And it's a little bit different because it has the lion face in it, but it's surrounded by, and I believe they call them zirconia crystals. Fake diamonds, in other words. So this is it. This is very pretty. I love that. Now, the next part that I'm going to share something with you, if you have a boyfriend or you have a husband, I bought some things for my husband and he loves them. He has been telling me or asking me, did you make your video with my hats yet? Because this is what I got him. Did you make a video? Because I want to wear the hats. you're not letting me wear the hats until I make a video. Anyway, he loves them. This is a navy colored hat, and it has some words or some letters and stuff around here. And yeah, it looks really nice on him. And I like it. It's really a nice style. So if you have a boyfriend or you have a husband that likes to wear ball caps, this one I really love. I love it better than the other one I just showed you, the navy one. This is black, but on camera here, it looks like black and gray, but actually it's just completely all black. It's funny how the camera will skew off the colors a little bit, but it's made of like a silky material, and it does have a camouflage pattern to it. And he liked the black one. They have it in navy and I think maybe green, I think, but there was 3 or 4 of them on there, and this one is my favorite, and it looks so nice on him. So you will also find this on my link tree. And my friend, another thing that I got him was a wallet, and he took the wallet, okay? But I will try and post a picture. I will insert a picture up here of the wallet that he got. He likes small wallets a little bit like me, so his wallet that he chose and he liked was one that you could put many cards in, but it was like a compact size. Oh, I will put the picture in here because he took it. He didn't wait, and he didn't leave me with his wallet and credit card. I think he probably knows best. So it is weigh-in day and Manjaro day. So I will be back here tomorrow to see you for my results of that. So everybody have a great day, and I will see you all again tomorrow. Ciao. The look going on here today because this girl, she takes migraines pretty much on the daily. And tomorrow is my Botox day. I get treatment for migraines. So, but this is not what the video is about. But anyway, I get treatments for migraines. So if you have migraines, you know all about the trouble they give you. So I get the treatment here in my forehead. They inject it in the back of my neck, some down my back, and also in the top of my head here. So tomorrow is migraine treatment day, but today I do have a migraine, hence the swollen eyes. They were red, but if you don't know about this is Lumify, and this is an eye drop that will make the red in your eyes disappear in a matter of a few seconds. So this is my holy grail when I have migraines, and I am visiting you today.